Hey, Freedom Crusaders, it's Stefan Killinger here, and in this short video I'm gonna show you the importance about your Facebook page. Like you see here, it's my Facebook page, and the important thing is that you got so much space to use here. It's a real big space, the biggest space online you can use for your business, and show you some things like I did. Like I created this picture. So I go to Pixabay. It's all free here. Just go to the start site, you type in maybe sunrise, and it's all free. You go here to royalty-free images here, and then you choose one. Like this, I chose this one, and you can download it here to your computer. And then I went to Canva. Canva is also free. Sorry for my very slow computer, but as you realize, I am doing online business with a slow computer here, and it's all working. So you go to Pixabay, download a picture, and then you go to Canva. Here's the Canva starting site. It's all free. Then here are my projects here. I went to here. It looks like this, and then I go to uploads, and then there's the picture. I go to upload here. It's in German because I'm from Germany. You go to upload picture, and then you can upload the picture you chose in Pixabay, and then you can new site, and then you just pick. Let's try another one. You just move it here, and then you can be creative. Like the famous Bob Ross always said, you can do whatever you want. Whatever you want. I want the sunrise. Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, and then you can add some text, but you have to be aware that if you load it up to Facebook, then here will be your profile picture. So you don't have the text. Here. And one other advice is always check on your mobile phone how it looks, because in the mobile phone the picture of me, the head here, is much more bigger, and I don't want to cover the text here. So here on the PC it's okay, but check the picture on your mobile phone. So let's do this. Be the change. Start creating your freedom today. Maybe we get another slogan, or we can use the same. We can use this here. Copy it. And then we can change it. Maybe always go for your dreams. A little bit too much, a little bit too big. Maybe get a good quote somewhere. Let's search one in the Let's Go app. There are quotes everywhere. Okay, let's check it here. It's an amazing new tool or what I'm using. So Let's Go app, personal development app, and if I go here, there is somewhere a quotes, my quotes. Let's check it here. Okay, dreams without goals are just dreams. Okay, that's good. Maybe another short one. The way you start today will dedicate the way you finish. You can, let's see. A goal without a plan is just a wish. I think we take this from Denzel Washington. Dreams without goals are just dreams. Okay, copy this. Copy, go back to our project here, and we can take this, copy, and then change the text. Okay, let's get it here, bigger. I have to copy it again here. Copy. Paste. Dreams without goals are just dreams. Okay. Go back. Maybe we can change it a little. Maybe we have to check the Facebook again. Okay. And maybe we can add another one and write down set your goals today. We can write here. Set your goals today. So maybe we can make it bigger and just take. We can change the color. We can make it thicker. So okay, we are already at 10, and then if you finish this one, you can download it. You can go here and then download. I go to which I want to download this site to, and then download it. And then I download it to my computer. And then I can change my Facebook picture here. Edit cover photo. Choose cover photo. Upload photo. I think that's one. That's the one. Then I'm good here. Then I go to downloads. Let's see where it is. This must be the right one. And then we will see if it fits. If it's not fitting, we go back to Canva and optimize our picture. That's not a big thing. But I wanted a different picture. Oh, I chose the wrong picture. Be the change. No, it doesn't say cancel. Edit. Try again. Choose cover photo. Select photo. No, that's not the one. Okay. Edit. Upload. Edit. Then we go upload. I want the one we created. Must be this one. Maybe we downloaded the wrong page in Canva. That's possible here. But it's site 2. Check it. Okay, we downloaded the wrong. Go back to here and download it again. Download. I want pages. I want not this one. I downloaded the wrong page. Okay, I want this one. Okay, yeah, ready, download. Okay, that's the right one. Then we go back to Facebook and upload photo, and then we see whether it fits. There it is. Okay, and then we can see whether it fits or not, but it's not a big deal. Yeah, it's perfect. Oh no, the writing is a little bit too big, but you see how it works. We can change, we can do the today here and then, so I'm not gonna save it, but you see how it works. We can go back here to our projects and edit the writing here. We can make this smaller here. Smaller. So then we are good. Then we download it again.